Question number 6. So that of all the line segments drawn from a given point, not on it, the perpendicular line segment is the shortest. Now, in question, to find the solution of this question, then first step is given. Here given angle B is 90 degree. So that all the line segment drawn from a given point not on it. So that all line segment drawn from a given point not on it, the perpendicular line segment. Many segments are drawn from point A to the given line L. Suppose this line is L. L is a line. L is a line, and angle B is given 90 degree. Now to prove perpendicular distance is the shortest. So here perpendicular is AB. To prove AB is the shortest distance. Perpendicular AB is the shortest distance. Last step is prove. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. That is given. If angle B is 90 degree, then the sum of remaining this angle A and this angle C is also 90 degree. Then this angle C is less than angle B. Then angle C is less than angle B. If angle is less, then its opposite side is also less than. The opposite side of angle C is AB. AB less than angle B opposite side is AC. Suppose this is first. Again in triangle, other point is suppose D. In triangle ABD. In triangle ABD. Also angle B is 90 degree. It means angle D less than angle B. Opposite side of angle D is AB less than the opposite side of angle B is AD. Suppose this is second. Take another point. Suppose this is E. In triangle ABE. In triangle ABE, this angle is 90 degree. Then this angle E is less than angle B. Angle E less than angle B. The opposite side of angle E is AB less than opposite side of angle B is A. This is third. So from first, second and third, AB is less than AC, AB less than AD, AB less than AE. It means from first, second and third, all the cases AB is smallest. Then AB is here perpendicular on given line L. AB is perpendicular on line L. Then perpendicular distance is the shortest. Perpendicular distance is the shortest distance. Hence proved.